This is one of our favorite visuals to use and is very familiar to our students. We call this the first then visual. First then can be used in a lot of different situations. Some include encouraging your student to do their academic work or something as simple as sitting at the table before eating. The then should always be something desirable to the student. Examples for use include first math worksheet, then tablet. Or first sit down at the table, then favorite snack. These can be drawn or written words, just like the examples, dependent on your learner's level. Okay, Katie, first we're going to do your math worksheet, and then you can have your tablet.
Okay. Done.
Awesome job! You are done with your math worksheet. It's time for your tablet.